オレツの日はいつしかいつの日にか体はいつにてホムラはいつか消える何もいらないはずだったのにまだ愛そうせりゃそれなりそんなに甘くないよでもきっとそんなに悪くないよ I'll give it for you Light it up, baby 燃やしちゃおうぜ yeah Drama, waste to my drama, go to Aku, she was a coconut toast tonight, Yakura, she was just tonight, love is dying. でもまだ消えてないから忘れてみたい情熱の日はいつしかいつの日にか体は気づいている僕らはいつか消える緩やかな若さの溶かして泣かないで Why so serious Baby それなりそんなに甘くないよでもきっとそんなに悪くないよI'll give it by you. Light it up, baby. Shall we sing? Yeah.
Alright, thank you for that, contestant number 1. Up next, we'll be singing Sen Bonzakura by Hatsune Miku. Everyone give it up for ang duet na walang stage name.
Hello, my chat. Wala ka piyak.
Wait, see yung spin. Wait, see yung legs ko.
守るに紛れ君の声も届かないよ
終わりだけ鋼のりさとせる飛び降りて千本桜の海は君が歌い僕は踊るここは歌が鋼のりさとせるで打ち明ける
Thank you!
Alright, thank you for that. Contestant number 2. And guys, that is our contestant. Wait lang, gusto ko munang interview ito dalawang contestant natin. Akit kayo dito, saglit. Gusto ko munang interview, syempre, kamustahin ko lang kayo, saglit. So, ayan. Kasi, syempre, ang ganda ng mga performance nyo. Gusto ko lang tanong, ano yung mga preparations na ginawa nyo for your performance for today?
Preparations? Anong preparation?
Ay, walang preparation
Joke lang.
yata nila dito, Mes.
Siyempre, prepare kami through GC nga lang. GC tapos dalawa lang kami.
Parang PM na ata yun dito, Mes, ah.
Kasi this week lang sinabi sa since San Juan Sakura is my favorite song, medyo, kaya lang nakakaba kasi nasa public.
Ay, ito naman, si B6.
Preparation, of course yung individual parts namin, kailangan kabisado namin. Then, in terms of yung, with the singing naman, kailangan yung harmony namin, kailangan in sync, then kailangan laging yung timing namin, alam namin yung each other's timing, para alam namin kung saan papasok, or kailan yung titigil. Yeah.
Ayan, meron bang ano yan? Meron bang parang practice gano'n?
Actually, kuya, last week, pinerform na namin to, pero TV size lang sa ibang event. So, ayun. Yun na yung nagsilbing preparation para dito kasi medyo short notice yung kailangan namin yung alam na natin kasi para syempre may slight mastery na, yung may chance kami manalo. So, ayun. Tapos nagabang din kami ng news for the next duet kasi aim talaga namin makasali dun sa dun sa top 4.
Ayun, tama naman. Alright, next question. Siyempre, gusto mo na kayong intervene. Ano yung tingin yung mga naging challenges upon preparing for this competition or any challenges that you encounter in performing such performances?
Ito lahat tayo mag-aagilan. Memorization and pronunciation. Especially for me kasi it's been very challenging kasi I've been used to speaking Korean. So, nag-aalala ako yung pronunciation ko. Baka magmukhang Korean. But so far, it's okay.
Well, actually, nakanta na namin ito before kaso it was many years. Ayan. Nakanta na namin ito ni Misha many years ago and ayun, nilasan ko siyang mag-duet kami kasi wala akong mahanap na ako-duet eh.
And then, nagtawag ng kasama, tama?
Yes, naghanap ng resma. Siyempre, alam ka naman sasala ko ng duet, mag-isa lang ako.
That's true. Now, P6.
Ayun, in terms of preparation, kasi yung pinerform namin song is it's a very technical song. So, kailangan alam namin yung mga yung mga harmony and yung timing and of course the lyrics, of course, kasi lalo yung song namin may rap. So, isa pa yun, one challenge yun. Kasi we don't usually do rap in singing.
Oo, mahirap mag-rap.
Yeah, diba? Ang hirap mag-rap. So, yun, that's one challenge siguro. And I guess, in terms of time, yung time kasi we're both busy, kasi we're both working. So, yun, medyo minsan ang hirap maghanap ng time, mag-practice, lalo pag pauwi. Minsan umuwi ka, pagod ka na, then pagod sa work, sa biyahe. Then, you have to find time to practice pa. Then, so yun, medyo doon challenge. Especially given yung medyo short notice yung event. So, yun, kailangan talagang bigyan ng time for the preparation.
Sa akin, ang pinaka-challenge for this kasi, yun nga, nasabi ni Jules, pareho kami working, tapos magkalayo pa kami. Unlike si Names, pati si Misha, magkapatid sila, so nasa isang bahay sila. May chance na pwede sila mag-practice ng sabay. Kami, ang practice time na lang talaga namin sa mismong event. So, practice on your own, tapos kakapain na lang din namin yung harmony on our own. Tapos, nabanggit din ni Jules na yung kinanta namin, yung Fire from Dororo is a very technical song. So, kailangan hindi kami sumapit dun sa mga head voice parts kasi syempre money note yon. Kailangan namin ingatan kasi ayaw namin sumablay, gusto namin manalo. So, ayun. It's a challenge na sa mismong event na lang kami nagpa-practice pero ginagalingan naman namin.
I see. Last question na lang, hindi ko na matatagalin pa. So, any few words for any aspiring performers na gusto nyong mag-join din sa ganitong contest, ganyan. So, any few words, for them?
If you want to join the karaoke contest, syempre, alamin niyo yung lyrics kung tungkol sa yung song kasi minsan it's upbeat, malungkot, and sometimes it looks child-friendly pero hindi pa yun. So, yun yung number one rule ko when I choose songs to sing. Inaalam namin yung lyrics kasi yun nga, magkakaroon ng technical issues, especially this is a family-friendly event. Yan. And give your time to practice. Practice is number one key kasi I noticed that there are some contestants who join for fun lang talaga. But, it's better kung nag-practice din kayo kahit konti. Yan lang.
Okay, so sa akin, apat. Preparation, practice, master yung lyrics, tsaka compliance to the rules. Siyempre, preparation. Unang-una, maraming upcoming singing contest ngayon. So, kung friend nyo ako sa FB, malamang kasi pag ako mag-post sa group ng OC Renani BFX, kung nakikita nyo yun. So, maraming upcoming singing contest dyan. Iba-iba nga lang yung rules, iba-iba lang yung mga tema. Then, pangalawa, of course, as mentioned ni Misha, practice, syempre. Practice makes permanent. Number 3, master of lyrics, syempre. Ang gusto natin, pag kumakanta tayo, nakatingin tayo sa audience, alam natin yung lyrics by heart. Mahirap kumanta, real talk lang, mahirap kumanta ng may kodigo. Tsaka penalty din yun. Tsaka number 4, compliance to the rule, syempre. Since most of the events, ang tema natin ay anime. So kailangan maghanda tayo ng mga anime songs. Yun syempre yung kaya natin kantahin. Yun lang. Thank you!
So, advice para sa mga aspiring singers, aspiring contestants. First and foremost, find the song that you like. Find the song that you want to perform on stage. Doon papasok yung passion, doon papasok yung desire for you to share the music that you love. So if you're passionate about the song that you're performing, doon papasok yung effort, doon papasok yung preparation, practice, everything that they said. Pero that starts with passion kasi, with you wanting to share your love for music to everyone. Yun.
Yun. For me, ang advice ko sa mga aspiring, yung sasali pa lang ng mga anime singing contest. Kasi kami medyo, hindi naman sa nagbubuhat ng bangko, pero kami mga veterano na kami sumasali. So, we've been joining, I've been joining for 9 years. Sila, more than 10 years. Alam mo yun? Preparation talaga. Preparation is the key. If you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail. So, kailangan may enough time ka. Unless sobrang gamay na gamay mo na yung anime singing contest. So, kailangan may at least 2 weeks to 1 month preparation ka for your next joining. Then, next, pili ka ng song na kahit hindi naman necessarily hype, pero yung alam mong babagay sa boses mo. Kasi at first, minsan, ang aim talaga ng mga aspiring or yung mga newbie pa lang na sumasali, mang-hype ng audience. It comes with time. Ako nga, hindi ako masyadong nang-hype ng audience, pero kita nyo naman, dito pa rin ako, kumakanta pa rin. So, alam mo yun, more than the hype, kailangan kaya nyong maituwid yung song and bagay sa inyo yung song. Yan lang.
Alright, thank you for that, our two contestants. And syempre gusto ko lang idagdag, and of course, most importantly, sana dapat nag-enjoy sila.
Yes.
Ayan. Alright, so that is it. Once again, our contestants for the Duo Singing Competition, B6 and ang duo na walang stage name. Alright, stay tuned guys. Mamaya we will have an awarding. And once again, this is the day 1 of Otaku Events. Ozen Event. Nabubulol na ako guys. So yan.